My first experiences hunting was certainly down in South Georgia, Albany, Leesburg. My dad was a big wing shooter, a big dove hunter, quail hunter. I'd be his bird dog. I'd run, go pick his birds up, and then I'd take a 410, and the first time I went dove hunting with a 410 and shooting my first dove was a big deal. We were sitting in peanut fields, dove hunting. We would get some bird dogs and go quail hunting, riding up on an old Jeep with bird dogs and a little bird buggy, and we'd go hunt wild birds. My dad would just say, hey, hop in the truck, and we'd be off hunting. And then even as I got a little older, 17, 18, me and a couple of buddies of mine, we had a couple bird dogs we'd round up. We had one dog that, gosh, we hunted over that dog for years. And we would walk and walk and walk, and we'd go ask landowners, farmers, could we quail hunt their place, and we'd walk all day and get a couple coveys up. And when the dog pointed, it was very exciting.